Oil change on Ford.
Yeah. Come on. Yeet. Yay. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, let's get this bitch training. Bit tight there. Go up with it. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Pivot this guy. Made a little bit of mess. I don't care. Clean it. Ooh. Let's get the filter too right here. Yeah. Forget about doing it by hand. Doing it with the tool. Pivot. Yeet. It's gonna start draining down or no? There you go. Damn, this is a big mess. Yeah. Yeah, it's like nothing ever happened. It is raggy. Yeet. Perfect. New filter right here with the little flippy. Stay right there. There we go. Trash. Give me some of that used oil right here. Dab some right on the filter, a ring right here, a little O-ring. Give me a little more. Right there. Yeah. Clean this bad boy up. Real nice. There we go. In with the new filter here. Excuse me. Yeah. Wipe you down a little bit. Make it look pretty. Alright. Drop this guy. Where's the drain plug at? There we go. Got this nasty gasket here. Or washer. Whatever you guys say. Crush washer. Let's see. This one? Alright. Let's plug this bad boy up right here. There we go. Got my little tube here. Eat. Eat. Yeah. There you go. A little bit. There we go. Don't even need brake cleaner. Get this out of here. Excuse me. Just put the skid plate back on. How does it go? Like this. Okay, like the one here. Put one back. Oh, gotta slide this in there. Put one back here. Shout out to STS for this magnet boot right here for the battery. Milwaukee style, baby. Link in bio. Gotta shout out to STS for sending this out to me. Link in bio. Use my code for 10%. This is your little battery boot right here for the Milwaukee. Check it out. Let's chop this bad boy down. Come here, big boy. I'm gonna reset. Twist the tip here. Insert it. Now we're gonna pump it. Alright, perfect. Right there. Wiggle it. There we go. Slowly pull out. Twist the tip. Retract. Put this cap back on. There we go. Put this down. Wipe it down a little. Let's get her started. Yeah. Sheesh. 113K. Not too bad. Oil life 23%. Let's give it a reset. Now it's at 100. Let's go, baby. Shut her off. Alright, let's check it now. I can't even tell. Hold on. Let me just clean this up real nice. I'm gonna fit the back in there, pull it back out, and gee, we good, baby. Oh, what happened to my voice? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count either. Bad boy's ready for another 5,000 miles. Sheesh.